EP45, when a piece of sodium was added into a beaker of water, it appeared to dissolve, giving off effervescence in this process. So some of the gas produced was collected in a test tube. Which of the following tests would confirm the identity of the gas that is formed? So this is under metals topic. Okay, sodium is your metal. So recall that metal, when it reacts with water, it would give you metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. So in this case, sodium, when it reacts with water, it will give you NaOH and H2 gas. So what I'm going to focus on, right, for this question is the production of hydrogen, okay, which is where you see the effervescence. So here, basically, they are asking you how to test for the presence of hydrogen gas. The identification test is option B, whereby a lighted splint would extinguish with a pop sound. Okay, so answer is option B. Now for option A, a glowing splint would rekindle. This is oxygen. For option C, a strip of moist red litmus paper would turn blue. So this one indicates presence of an alkaline gas, which in your syllabus is ammonia gas. Okay, and the last one, a strip of moist blue litmus paper turns red, followed by bleach. This is for chlorine. So take note, chlorine is the only gas that has bleaching properties. Okay,